Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video has been a long time coming. I am going to show you the results of using a lash growth serum for 2 months straight. Now, with a lot of these serums, you have to wait 8 to 12 weeks before seeing any results. So I'm doing my video today, but I'm also going to do a 3-month video as well. So if you want to see that one, make sure you quickly subscribe before we start. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet, so I'm just going to show you what I used, why I chose it, how to use it, and my results after 8 weeks. Let's start off with the brand I used. Now, I had so many suggestions. Thank you so much to everyone who commented on my past videos, but I ended up going for this brand called UKlash. Now, I chose this one because I think it was around 37 or 38 pounds, and it was between a lot of the options. So these serums can start off from around 19 pounds and they go all the way up to like 65, 70 with some brands. I thought going with somewhere in the middle would be like getting a deal but also getting a good product, so I settled on UKlash. I use this every single night, but I'm gonna admit I think I've missed about 5 days from each month. Sometimes you just fall asleep. What am I meant to do? So I would say I use this for 25 nights each month, which means I've been using it for 50 days. I'm hoping that on the nights where I just forgot to use it, my lashes were just still growing anyway, but we shall see. I'm just on their website now grabbing some details for you guys, and it does say safe to use with lash extensions and for contact lens wearers, which is another reason that I chose it because I do wear lenses. If you go on their website, you can see lots of before and after photos and they look really good, guys. Also, they've got 19,000 5-star reviews. I'll be honest, when I see things like that, I kind of think scam. But, you know, at the same time, they had before and after photos. A lot of the reviews looked genuine and had photos involved, so I thought we gotta test it out. We gotta know, guys, and I'm gonna be the one to do it. They also say you can expect your lashes to be up to 55% longer and 75% more voluptuous or voluminous, whatever the word is, within 8 to 12 weeks. But I will point out, it says you start to see the results in 8 weeks, which is where we're at now, and you get your full lash effect on the 12th week. So as I said earlier, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that video. I'm gonna quickly show you how I use it, and then we're gonna get straight into before and after results. So the applicator is your basic eyeliner applicator, just a small thin brush, and it's so easy to use. You just do one swipe on each of your lash lines and you're done. Finished. Also, I just want to make this clear, this video is not sponsored. It wasn't even a PR gift. I researched this myself, I picked it out myself, I paid for it, and I did this whole experiment off my own accord because I just wanted to know if it worked and I wanted long lashes. So if you see anyone using my before and after clips, can you guys please tell me whether it's like an Instagram ad or a Facebook ad or even the brand themselves? No one has permission to use my before and after, so if you spot anyone being cheeky, please come tell me in a comment so I can put a stop to that. Thank you. The top clip is day 1 and the bottom clip is 2 months later. I think there's a clear difference, but you can really see it in the next clips. Now this is the view from the side, and I think my lashes are definitely at least 50% longer. You can see they're now almost touching my eyebrow where they're nowhere near before. And if you look at my nose, you can see that they just reach so much further towards the edge of my nose than they did before. So I think there's a very clear, good difference. Here's another view so you guys can just take it in. I'm really happy with the results so far and can't wait for 3 months. So as I mentioned, I can definitely see a difference, and the biggest difference I see and how I noticed they were growing is how my lashes look with mascara on. They look so good. Like, I do 1 coat of mascara and I feel like I'm wearing a natural false lash. It is so pretty. You can kind of see them today. I'll get a quick close-up shot for you. Just to clarify, this is 1 coat of mascara and I do not have a lash lift. I've not done a lash lift in months because I wanted to test out this product and I just didn't want anything else to distract from the serum, really. So I let them go completely back to normal and then I started using it. Look at that. Basically a natural looking false lash. I've linked the serum that I used in the description box, so make sure you check that out if you guys want to try it too. If you've ever tried a lash growth serum and had great results, tell me which one it was. I really want to know. I'm really into this now. I see it working, and now I want like the craziest lashes I can possibly get. I will also leave links to my previous lash videos. So I've got a lash lift video, and heck, I'll link my brow lift video as well. I'll do a little playlist over here of my beauty how-tos, and you guys can check out my channel. If you liked this video and you want to see more long-term reviews, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!